Hello, this is Abby Jamison. This is my initial self-assessment for Psych 806 Applied Research. Learning objective number 1 is to be able to demonstrate the knowledge and skills of research design methodologies and data analysis pertinent to IO psychology. Regrettably, I do not have much experience in this area. What experience I do have has all been in school, mostly with Dr. Palmer, a little bit in undergrad. Most of it has been analyzing data from books or from schoolwork, and so I am very excited about learning more about really about methodologies, which one to choose, and data analysis techniques. Learning objective number 2, select and implement the appropriate research and analysis strategies. So I actually wrote about this in our initial discussion board, that I find this, and I think it's just because we don't use it right now in everyday situations. Maybe we will, or maybe I will in the future. But selecting and implementing the appropriate research and analysis strategies, they get very confusing to me. And so looking at a set of numbers, all of a sudden my mind can't remember, is it ANOVA or a MANOVA, or what do I use to analyze that data? I do think that statistics, I enjoy looking at them. I think that it's kind of like its own language, and so I find it challenging, but I am very excited to learn more and to learn better how to take that data and analyze it. Communicate the research process, results, and implications in both technical and non-technical terms. So this one I actually feel I'm pretty good with, but again, most of my experience has been in school. I do have an easier time communicating research in technical terms because some of it is kind of like fill in the blank, and then communicating it in non-technical terms I find a little harder. You can have your set of data, but then explaining how it is applicable to myself or to someone else in real life is a little more difficult for me. I am very much learning, or looking forward to learning, how to read a set of data and realize quite quickly how it is applicable or pertinent to my situation. 2 additional goals that I have. Number 1, be able to easily integrate research results into my own research or studies, just to really be able to seamlessly take someone else's research or look through data, find what is applicable or pertinent to me, and be able to put that into my own research, and then being able to produce high quality research results that are relevant and easily understood. So again, producing something that one can easily, look at and say, oh, I see how that applies to my situation right now. Some of that is just learning how to relay information, but some of it also is learning how to produce the research that is relevant, taking one question and instead of getting 1,000 different hits, where the research question can go, narrowing it down and being able to use that information and be able to focus it. I am very much looking forward to this class. I always enjoy my statistics and research classes. So yeah, thank you.